Good morning, friends. This is Pawan Verma, and today is 7th of September 2023, and I am here to explain you how to find out the trending stock for today. That is, which is trending means which is having the potential to move and to give a good move in a day or in short term. Both the perspective has been taken over here, and analysis is done on the basis of SuperTrend, Ichimoku, MACD, and stochastic. These are the four indicators which has been chosen, and the target is been given through the pivot on the daily basis. For short-term view, the weekly perspective has been taken into account, and accordingly, the target has been given. Now, to identify the stock which is trending, we have used a super trend, and today we have used a super trend and MACD. So on the basis of these two indicators, we have identified the uh, stocks which is here. 1 minute. These are the stocks which is trending today, means which is having the potential to give a good up move in short term basis or even in the intraday also. On daily basis, the target is based on the daily pivot, and for short term the weekly pivot is being taken, and accordingly the target has been fixed. Now after identifying the stock, we are just moving into the chart of the particular stocks. Just see, first is Coal India. First is Coal India. Coal India. Just select the Coal India. See, at around 9:15 a.m., the stock has given the MACD has crossed above the signal line at around 9:50 a.m. and stock is already moving above the super trend. So this is the entry price after saying 15 minutes, and 15-minute close is the entry price for this particular stock, that is 258.10, and the target is 261.15 on the daily basis for the daily for the intraday basis. Now for short term basis, means for say 7 days or weeks time, the target is somewhat different, and the same can be changed from here, that is weekly target. It is above the target which has been specified here. Then, if all the thing has been, the stock has surpassed target levels and all the things are moving in the positive direction, then just see the strength in the MACD. If MACD is potent enough, then you can judge that the stock is moving further in the upward direction. So here the same scenario is being seen. Target has been surpassed, weekly target has been surpassed, and MACD is having the good potential, showing the strength. So you can just speculate that the stock may move upward in the upward direction further. Till the weakness is being seen, you can hold the stock. Now comes SDFC Asset Management Company, SDFC AMC. SDFC AMC. MACD has just given the buy signal yesterday at around 3 p.m. and the entry price is 2455.95, means 2456 you can say. And today you just see that the stock has gone how much actually? Trading 50 rupees above. Let the stock should retrace here from this level. This is one of the resistance, that is 2509. Above 2509 point, yeah, you can say that 2510. Then 2510, above 2510, one can enter into the stock further for the another target, that is 2574. This is the weekly target. So don't be confused that the target is achieved in an intraday. If you take week time, PVR Inox. PVR Inox has generated the buy signal and is currently in the bullish zone till it is traded above 1831. So on each dip above 1831, one can pick up the stock further on the weekly basis. dear analysts. HA, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HA. The stock has already gone, given the signal at around 245 yesterday, and MACD has given, not stock. MACD has given the signal at around 245, but simultaneously the super trend was in the sell mode. So in that case, we will not enter. The anti price will be this one, that is around 3 p.m. yesterday. This price is around 3,988.75. This is the ideal entry price, and just see the potentness of the MACD, MACD, MAX, and thereby the stock is moving upward, and there is still it is showing there is no negativity in this particular stock. So when the retracement starts after an hour or um, after 2 hours, when the retracement begins, in that case we should wait till the stock should retrace around 4007 or 4010. After that, you can just pick the stock for the on the weekly basis. So now page industry. Page has page industry has entered into the bullish zone, and its entry price is around 41,180, and yes, 41,180. Target is 41,563. It has already been achieved right now. Wait for the stock to retrace. UBA. UBL has given the buy signal at around 9:30 and the entry price is 1588.95, that is 1588.95. 1589 is the ideal entry price. Target already it has been achieved, that is 1597 on the 8th, you can say. Yeah. Now it is moving above the surpass, reach this level also. So one should wait for the retracement. As MACD is presently showing some weakness, because MACD line has is showing some weakness. You can just see here. So a minor retracement can be seen. After that, the same can be kept into the portfolio. Rural Electric Corporation, REC. For the short-term basis, REC is good enough as all the condition has been met here, and one can get into the stock for the short-term basis. But the ideal entry price should be 241 rupees 40 paisa. Above 241 rupees 40 paisa, one could enter into the stock for the further target of 243 rupees 95 paisa, 249 and 258. These all the target are on the weekly basis. So around from today, 7 to 10 days are the expected time to achieve these levels. Bharat Electronics, Bharat Electronics. Bharat Electronics, here you can just see the MACD has crossed the signal line and stock is trading above the super trend, and means condition has been met. But when to enter? What should be the entry price? The ideal entry price should be 140 rupees 45 paisa, because the candle has been, the first candle of 15 minutes is long, it's quite long, and after reaching this level, one could enter for the target of 141 rupees 25 paisa and 144 rupees 30 paisa. All are the weekly targets, but 141.25 will be met when the stock is traded above 140 rupees 45 paise. On that day, the same target will be achieved. This target will be achieved. I mean to say that above 140 rupees 45 paisa on the day which the stock will trade, simultaneously you can see the target of first target of around 141 rupees 20 paisa or 25 paisa that will be met on the same day itself. Dixon Technologies and Gate. Dixon Technologies and MACD given the has crossed above the signal line yesterday at around 14:15 and thereafter, but the stock was below the super trend. So one should wait for the buy signal. The buy signal has been generated today at around 10 a.m. and the entry price is 5069.60, means around 5070 one could enter into the stock and the target will be 5155, 5248 and 5422. These all the targets are the weekly targets. One should hold the stock for 7 to 10 days, you can say. This is not the recommendation which I am just saying. It is the potentiality of the stock which I am just want to convey, that the stock has the potential to reach these targets. This video is of educational purpose. You are just seeing, doing the practical working here, that all the 10 to 12 stock which has been identified is being analyzed on the basis of SuperTrend as well as MACD, and on the weekly pivot basis the target is being specified here. Dixon Technology, and last one is Gale. Gale India. MACD and SuperTrend both has given generated the buy signal today at around 9:15 a.m. But after opening, the stock is, this is the pump and dump situation. So stock may retrace up to the level of 125.25. This is pump and dump situation. Just because it has not been breached, the low has not been taken away. So you can expect that it is pump and dump situation. So after breaking the previous high of the 15 minutes, one can enter into the trade. The previous high is right now 125.90. Bulls are trying to Bulls are playing the game here right now. The stock has been brought just after opening, has been retraced to the level of 125.20 50 and may retrace up to 125.15. Just wait and watch. Stock is in bullish zone at around above 124.25, and unless the same level same unless the same is traded below this level, there is no negativity in the stock. So one could grab the stock at around 124, 124, above 124.25. But stock will not enter into this zone, that is 124 level, 124 or 124.25. This level you will not get the stock right now. This is pump and dump situation right now because it is a long candle and thereafter it is being retraced to the level of 125.45, and same is expected to retrace above 125, 125.10. This may be the level stock will achieve. But when the previous high will be taken over, previous high of 15 minute candle is taken away, whenever it will be breached, one should enter into the stock. That will be the entry price. This is the situation that I am just explaining. So all the 10 stocks has 10 or 10 to 12 stocks has been identified right now. No new stock has been no money means no new stock has been seen right now. So viewers, I have explained each and every aspect of the you can say that I have explained each and every aspect which has to be taken care while trading, and two indicators has been used, that is uh, SuperTrend and MACD. And after going through this indicator, when you are familiar with this indicator, you can plan your trade. Any query regarding the explanation, one should just give a message or comment on the YouTube, and I request you to subscribe the channel for getting the new videos on the runtime basis. Thank you.